Thinking of trying Linara Hair Removal Cream? The website promises smooth skin with a UK-based brand and professional results. But is it too good to be true? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, this video is based on public reviews, website details, and personal opinion. Always do your own research before buying anything online. The official Linara site looks polished, claiming fast results and easy returns. But the reality, very different. According to recent reviews on Trustpilot, Linara has a 2.6-star rating and users are calling it out as misleading. Many buyers say the product is shipped from China, not the UK as claimed. Even worse, the product they received had no Linara branding, appeared cheap, and in some cases was completely different from what was advertised. Some say you can find the exact same cream on eBay just for $3 to $4, pounds or euros, I don't know. Refunds, not easy. Several customers had to fight through PayPal just to get their money back, plus pay for the return shipping. The easy return claim on their site apparently false. Linara Hair Removal Cream raises multiple red flags: misleading branding, poor product quality, and bad customer service. While some may get a working product, the risk seems way too high. Personally, it's a no for me. This feels more like a scam than a legit beauty solution. Have you tried Linara or a similar product? Drop your experience in the comments. And if this helped, give it a like and follow for more honest reviews.